Hello children, this is Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, Part 6. So far we have understood that Bassanio finds a magnificent portrait of Portia, yet he feels that it stands nowhere to her real self. Now the scroll he opens, what it summarizes, let us read. You that choose not by the view, chance as fair and choose as true. So he's saying that you have not chosen only by the look, you have chosen not by the look. Since this fortune falls to you, be content and seek no new. He is saying that you have chose as truly as you have done. Since this fortune has come to you, be satisfied and seek no more happiness. So scroll reads that you should be satisfied with what you have got. You need not to seek any more happiness. If you be well pleased with this and hold your fortune for your bliss, turn you where your lady is and claim her with a loving kiss. So he's saying that the scroll says, if you are pleased with this and consider this fortune as your joy, then go to where your beloved is, that is Portia, and claim her with a loving kiss. Then the gentle scroll says, fair lady, by your leave. So beautiful scroll basically is telling that the scroll is saying that here I am with your permission. Then he kissing, and as he is directed by the scroll, he is seeking his permission as directed by the scroll, kissing her. I come by note to give and to receive, to give you a kiss and to receive one. Like one of two contending in a prize, like one of two contenders for a prize, that thinks he hath done well in people's eyes. So he thinks that he has done well in people's eyes. Hearing applause and universal shout. Hearing applause and universal shout. People are shouting. He hears a loud applause with joy. He is excited, looking around, giddy in spirit, excited, still gazing in a doubt, looking around with doubt, whether those peals of praise be his or no, whether the shouts of applause are for him or not. So thrice fair lady stand I even so, as doubtful whether what I see be true. So thrice blessed fair lady is saying, I am standing here doubting whether what I say is true, until confirmed, signed, ratified by you, until it is confirmed and approved by you.